Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be testing out the warp charging on the OnePlus 7 Pro to see just how fast it really is. OnePlus claims that you can get up to at least 50% battery life with just 20 minutes of charge. So, of course, we are going to check that along the way. As you can see here, I do have the original charger that did come in the box, and I have let the 7 Pro's battery completely drain down to zero. So, let me go ahead and get the charger plugged in so we can get this test started. All right, so I've got the charger plugged in and ready to go. Let me go ahead and turn this over. Like I said, I've let the phone completely die down to zero. So let me go ahead and plug this in and let's get started. Alright, so we have made it to the halfway mark of 20 minutes. It's 10 minutes right now and 16 seconds. And as you can see, we are at 24% already. So it is looking pretty promising. We might hit that 50% battery life mark by the time we reach 20 minutes. So far I am pretty impressed. So let's keep this going. All right, so we are coming up on 20 minutes here. As soon as it hits 20 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the screen and see what the battery percentage is at. Let's see if their 50% battery claim is true. Here we go. And we are at 44%, which actually is not that bad. Yeah, it's not 50%, 6 more percent we would have been there, but 44% in 20 minutes of charging is actually not that bad. I am pretty impressed. So say maybe you're gonna be going somewhere, your battery's low, you're getting ready, it takes you 20 minutes to get ready. Hey, you're gonna get 44% of battery life. And I gotta tell you, from the time I did my unboxing earlier today, it was 50% out of the box. By the time I finally got it to die down to zero, I had a little over 4 hours of screen on time. So this 45% is definitely going to do you well and get you through the rest of the night. So let's continue this test. All right, so we are coming up another 20 minutes later, about to hit the 40-minute mark. So let's see how much we gained in another 20 minutes. Here we go. And we are now at 76%. Pretty close to being fully charged. 76%, that is a lot. Even that alone will pretty much get you through a full day of use with how good this battery is. Like I said earlier, I started out with 50%, got a little over 4 hours of screen on time, so it lasted me pretty good for the 50% battery life that it did have. Like I said, we're at 40 minutes so far, 76% of battery charged, so I'm pretty impressed. It's looking pretty good. Let's keep it going. All right, you guys, so we are coming up on the 1 hour mark here, and it looked earlier like we were getting pretty close. So let's go ahead and check it out. And we are at 93% at 1 hour. 93%, not doing too bad at all. I'm still pretty impressed. So I'm pretty sure it's not gonna take much longer to get it to 100%. We are not that far from 100%. So let's go ahead and let it keep going until we can get to that 100% mark. All right, so there it is. We finally made it to the end of the finish line, 100% with 1 hour and 15 minutes. That is truly impressive. To be able to power up a 4,000 milliamp battery in just 1 hour and 15 minutes is not bad at all. It is truly impressive. Let me go ahead and boot this up real quick. All right, so we got it on, and look at, there it is, 100% full battery life at 1 hour and 15 minutes. You guys let me know what you think down below. Now that we know how long it takes to charge this device, y'all already know what I got to do next. I'm going to be doing an all-day battery drain test to see how long it will take to drain this battery, if it'll actually get us through a full day of use. You already know I do that every time I get a new device, so I will be doing that in the next 1 to 2 days. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on actually any future videos that has to do with this device or any other future device at that. But for this test itself, let me know what you guys think down in the comment sections below. Are you as impressed as I am, or do you think it could have been a bit faster? Now remember, keep in mind, this was a 4,000 milliamp battery, so for it to charge in 1 hour and 15 minutes, that really is impressive. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.